focus. You can see right here, I'm making a lamp for my wife's studio. It's two different pieces of wood. I think one is redwood. Yeah, I know the other one is pine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them in strips and glue them together so we got different colors. So you can see right there right now. So I'm going to glue them together. See right now, glue them together. You got to glue them real good so they don't break on you. So you want it to be real nice and tight. So right now, you can see. Now I'm gonna put them together now. See, put them together. Then you got to put them where the dark piece meet the light piece. You know, just flip them. See. So I'm gonna put them together now. So it's like 8 pieces, 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces. I cut them into. Then I glue them together. Let them dry for about. I give them like 5 hours, but if you got time, just leave them overnight. Okay, see now I got them go together. Now what I'm doing, I'm fighting the center. I got to make sure I make that strip right in the center. And what I'm going to do is in the center is to put the wire for the lamp. See right there. I'll show you how I do it on the side. See, we started. Look at it. I set it. See now, we're gonna cut it straight down the center. It's like a 1/4 of an inch deep. Yeah. If you could see, but I got to do it another time. I turn it around and do it another time. See how it look like? Then I go glue them back together again. Like I say, glue them really good so they don't move. It's really simple. I mean, it's not really hard to do. Once somebody shows you how to do it, it's not hard. I never know to do this. I just go on the internet and look at different things, and then sometimes I come up with my own stuff. See the holes right there, so the wire could go through. Glue it together, let it dry again. I give them like 5 hours the most for me. So as you could see, this is the product right here. But what I did when I finished, I sand it off and all that stuff and put some clear over it so it could be shiny and nice and shiny. And now I'm putting in the light fixtures, but I run into a little problem. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Hello people, Joe here. Actually, this is the problem that I'm having. As you can see, this is the one that I bought from Amazon. If you could see the circumference of the hole right here is bigger, and you go over here, so this is one is smaller. This is the standard one, And when I went to the store like Home Depot and Lowe's and all that, every lamp that I see is this size, you know. So this is the standard. And this one from Amazon is too big. You know me, I gonna make it work. So I take this off an old fan that I have for the light fixture, and I put it in here. I put it here in there like this, and I take some glue and I glue it around it. Yeah, what I do, I bore this hole in it so it could work. And I put it in here, and it works. I glue it in and it worked, but it's not really what I want. So I went over to Target and I see a cheap lampshade, and I say like for $9, I think, something like that. And I bought that, and I buy that and put it on. So, but this one, I'm not gonna get rid of these. I gonna fix this, because you know me, I gonna fix everything. This is a new shade, and it fits the base. See, because this bike, my wife wanted to go along the little one that she wanted. This stem was like my size of my finger, but to me that don't look good. So and this is the product right here. So right now I'm making another one for my daughter-in-law, but she don't know yet, because the last time she come over here, "Ooh, this is so pretty, I like it." I said, okay, I go make her one. But then it's gonna be a little bit different. The stem now, the foot here down here gonna be plywood, pleated plywood. You see when it finished, it's gonna look nice, and the base gonna look like this. So then I'm trying to put those same lamp shade that I bought from Amazon on it. So I might buy another base, a bigger base. Now, I'm not saying base, but a bigger fixture, light fixture, and see if that works. 2 lampshade in the kit. I can't make that go to waste. It gotta work, because knowing me, it gotta work.